Running out of ice is one of those annoying little problems that always seems to happen at the worst possible time. Whether it's a summer party, guests coming over, iced coffee in the morning, or just your freezer struggling to keep up, waiting hours for ice trays to freeze gets old fast. That's exactly the problem the EU Homey Ice Maker machine is designed to solve. This compact countertop ice maker promises fresh ice in as little as 6 minutes, producing 9 ice cubes per cycle without any complicated setup or plumbing. Just add water, press a button, and it starts making ice almost immediately. And if you want to check out the latest price, discounts, or customer reviews while watching, you'll find the affiliate link down in the description below. One of the biggest reasons this machine has become so popular is convenience. Instead of constantly refilling ice trays or buying bags of ice from the store, the EUHOMY continuously produces ice throughout the day right on your kitchen counter. According to the manufacturer, it can produce up to 12 kg, or around 26 pounds of ice per day, which is more than enough for most households, parties, RV trips, or outdoor gatherings. And based on customer reviews, one thing people consistently mention is how surprisingly fast it starts producing usable ice. A lot of buyers say they originally expected it to feel gimmicky or slow, but were impressed by how quickly the first batch appears after turning it on. Another useful feature is the option to choose between 2 different ice cube sizes, depending on the type of drink or occasion. The machine itself is also very straightforward to use. The controls are simple. There's a clear indicator when the water needs refilling. And the built-in self-cleaning mode is a really nice addition because countertop ice makers can become annoying to maintain if cleaning is too complicated. Another thing people seem to love is the portability. The compact design, built-in carry handle, included ice basket and scoop, make it easy to move around the kitchen or take on trips, especially for camping, RV use, vacation rentals, or home bars. And visually, it's a pretty clean-looking machine too. It doesn't really feel bulky or industrial sitting on a countertop. Now, no product is perfect. A few reviewers mentioned that the ice cubes are softer than traditional freezer ice, so they can melt a little faster in drinks. Some people also mentioned that you can hear the fan and compressor while it's running, although most reviews describe the noise as pretty reasonable for this type of appliance. And it's important to remember that this is designed to continuously make ice, not store huge amounts long-term, like a freezer bin. But overall, the feedback is overwhelmingly positive for the price range. Most customers seem especially happy with the speed, convenience, ease of use, and the fact that they no longer have to think about buying or refilling ice nearly as often. So who is this actually best for? Honestly, if you drink iced coffee regularly, host parties, entertain guests, go camping, use an RV, or simply get frustrated by constantly running out of ice, this makes a lot of sense. For a relatively compact machine, the EUHOMY delivers fast ice production, portability, easy operation, and genuinely useful everyday convenience. If you want to check out the latest price or current offers on the EUHOMY Ice Maker machine, click the affiliate link down in the description below. And if this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other home product reviews.